Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Alright, today we are continuing our R2 build. We've got issue 36, and we have our parts based on this. It looks like it's going to be a short video, but we are finally starting the left leg. Let's crack it open and see what we got. Alright, here are the parts we received with this issue. As expected, we are beginning the left leg. We've got the left shoulder plate, we've got a stabilizer, and a couple of lubrication fittings. And for this issue, you're also going to need 4 of the longer 6mm silver screws. And to begin, we're going to start with the lubrication fittings. And if you take a look, you can see there's a little tab right here. That's make sure it's keyed. So when it goes in this slot here, you can see it'll stay in place. It looks like the little 2 dots are up top and 1 screw in the back. And then you do the same thing for the bottom lubrication fitting. Alright, next up we're going to take the stabilizing rod here. I'm going to make sure that it is aligned just like this. I'm just going to slide in, and we've got 2 more screw holes in the back. And that, my friends, is that. Issue 36 is complete. And there you have it. Issue 36 is complete. All we have is this little part, but I'm excited because it means that we're beginning to build the left leg. I'm assuming that means that we are finished with the right leg. So we are certainly coming along. If you like the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.